Healthy eating is a trend that has long conquered the Russian market, especially in million-plus cities. But is it profitable to open healthy food delivery in 2022? Let's try to give a reasoned answer to this question, and with those who have already decided to take a risk, we will share a ready-made instruction for launching an enterprise. Healthy food delivery is a business, features and nuances. The demand for the niche is confirmed by the presence of more than 36 different companies that accept orders for the preparation and delivery of healthy food in Moscow. Within the direction, narrowly focused segments have already formed. Delivery of dishes from famous restaurants, cafes. The direction is almost monopolized by large courier services, Yandex.Go, Boxbury. Homemade food. In addition to the courier service, entrepreneurs organize the work of their own kitchen. Preparation of a diet menu. The company develops a diet, and at the agreed time brings the client ready-made daily or weekly boxes. The main reasons for the steady growth in demand for healthy food in Russia are the difficulty in finding natural products, especially for residents of the metropolis, and employment, which does not allow wealthy citizens to spend much time in the kitchen. Taking care of their health, people are ready to delegate the delivery of farm products and the preparation of familiar dishes to companies. What you need to open a healthy food delivery business. The first thing to do is to study in detail the law of the Russian Federation on the protection of consumer rights, which should be followed by all courier services. Also, the work of catering establishments is regulated by rules for the provision of public catering services. Sanitary Regulations 2, 3, 6, 1079, 01. When opening your own company, register with the Federal Tax Service, register an LLC, IP. Use the main OKVED 53, 20, 32, additional courier service codes 53, 20, 3, 53, 20, 31, 53, 20, 39. If, in addition to delivering healthy food, you are going to start a restaurant business, provide nutritionist consultations, indicate the codes. 56. 10 restaurants, food delivery services. 56. 29 catering establishments for other types of catering. 56. 30 serving drinks. 63. 99. 1 provision of consulting, information services. In addition to confirming the status of an entrepreneur, permissions are needed to operate the kitchen. Rospotrebnadzor. Sanpin. Fire inspection. Employees are required to make health books. Also open a separate bank account for business. 3 tips for those who decide to start their own healthy food delivery business. On paper, any idea looks attractive. In practice, most businesses close in the first year. To avoid this fate for your project, write a detailed business plan. The document will allow you to assess how promising the idea is for your city. If you haven't done business before, entrust the task to professionals. Attract partners. Healthy food delivery as a business requires large investments, so investors will help with finances, and co-owners will perform part of the tasks to speed up the launch. Listen to the audience. Clients themselves will tell you what specific service they are interested in. Do you want it easier? Look for hot deals in our catalog. The purchase of an existing courier service will allow you to make a profit from the first days.